So if you're looking at this right now, this is the viral pet vacuum kit. Guys, you're not gonna have to worry about cleaning up with these brushes. These brushes are inefficient, guys. You gotta clean them off, and all that hair ends up on the floor. With the pet vacuum system, guys, you can end up going and putting your pet vacuum. You can use the de-shedding brush, which will keep up all that hair from your undercoat. Then you're gonna be able to use the clippers. As you guys use the clippers is gonna help cut out all that hair, and all that hair gets sucked into the container. You also have a lint roller. You can use the lint roller to make sure you pull all that hair off your clothes. All right, and if you guys want, you can grab the 9-in-1. 9-in-1's gonna have everything I just showed you guys, and it's gonna have a blow dryer. So you're gonna have all those different options there. I'll put the link down there for you to grab. But this is gonna be the viral pet vacuum system, guys. And again, if you guys want to take advantage, make sure your house stays nice and clean. Check it out.